So we just landed in Kuala Lumpur and we are still at the airport, and we always come to this little park here, and it was closed for a few years for renovation, but now this is the first time we see it since it was open. It's actually very nice. Yeah, Gary? Yeah. It's very beautiful. And they put all the steam everywhere, so it's very humid in here. Yeah, let's go back there and see. It's always nice to be back in here. It's a lot of steam from on side. Yeah? It's a lot of steam.
Our skin is going to be glow tomorrow.
Yeah.
Moisturizing.
Nice, moist. And essential oil?
yeah.
I can smell something. You are definitely getting moisturized or humidified. Not moisturized, humidified.
Yeah, they put essential oil. It smells so good. Especially after our long journey flight, 16 hours.
Yeah, 50 hours in the tube. So now finally we can get some humidity on our skin. So this is not the main terminal, this is some side terminal, so we have to now catch a train. All the species.
Really cute flora and fauna.
Very cute flora and fauna. It is, there are lots of bees there. The bee.
There's largest flower in the world.
And this is the largest flower in the world, and it's very stinky as well. He's like, I am not eating, no one's gonna eat me today because I stink so much. So this is the entrance to that park. Rimba Park.
Malaysian national flower.
So what's this, Gary?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. And what's the...
That's a Malaysian national flower.
And this bird?
The hornbill.
Yeah, hornbill, our favorite bird. Bit out of tune, but so we found out that they have Burger King. Before they did not have Burger King here, and it's actually quite big. Look, all the way here until there.
Yeah.
So Gary, are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy to be here?
Yeah.
Very happy. long flight. We were flying all the way from London with Etihad to Abu Dhabi, and then from Abu Dhabi here to Kuala Lumpur.